earthquake, hurricane, forest fire, avalanche, flood, hailstorm, landslide, snowstorm, sandstorm, meteorite, lightning strike, volcano, tornado, thunderstorm, tsunami, drought, eat, ate, take, took, ride, rode, teach, taught, swim, swam, drive, drove, sing, sang, write, wrote. They ate lunch. She took a photo. He rode to school. She taught English. She swam a mile. She drove to the mall. She sang the blues. She wrote a story. Two sugars, please. Two's company. Goody two shoes. Two for tea. A 6 and a 2 threes. Two shakes of a cat's tail. One for sorrow, two for joy. In two minds. Two left feet. Two can play that game. Two heads are better than one. Worth two in the bush. Two wrongs don't make a right. A game of two halves. Quarter to two. Teaching a thing or two. Baguettes. Tricolor. Pompidou Centre. Onions. Bourguignon. Eiffel Tower. Garlic. Tour de France. Beret. Arc de Triomphe. Perfume. Cheese. Croissant. Sacré-Cœur. Impressionism. Moulin Rouge.